size super simple recipes. Number 36. Apple and cream puffs. What I'm trying to do here is just use up the little bits of leftover puff pastry from the last pie we made. So I've just got 4 little squares here. We're going to give them a brush with egg wash, puff them up as much as we possibly can, and then we're going to fill them with some chunky Bramley apple sauce. I've got some whipped cream and I've got some cinnamon caster sugar to dust them over with. So the first thing I'm going to do is just give them a quick brush over with a bit of egg wash. Hopefully that will help them to rise. And like I say, we're just using up little bits of leftovers. I'm not normally one for desserts. I thought we'd give it a go, eh? So, done that, we're going to pop them into a hot oven, about 220, until they rise. Then we'll turn it down to 180 to cook them through. They'll take about 20 minutes, so I'll come back once they're done. While we've been waiting, I've whipped the cream to the stiff peak stage. I'll pop that in the fridge now until we're ready to start filling our puffs. Our puffs have been in the oven now for 10 minutes at 220 and 10 minutes at 180. They've risen quite nicely. That one there looks a little bit scraggy, but we'll be alright with those. So the next thing we do now is we're going to leave those to cool off. These have now cooled, but they're very, very light and delicate, so you're going to need a really sharp, fairly thin bladed knife to try to split these, because what we don't want is for them all to fall to bits, and they really are quite flaky. There we are, there's one, and I'm only really trying to pop the top piece off. Two. 3, and this one, the little bastard one. See if it'll even. Oh, we might get away with it. Enough. So, Bramley's apple sauce. We're going to want a nice dollop on each one. Followed by a nice dollop of our whipped cream. Excuse my fingers. and whatever cream's left, obviously, have a nice cream tea with it. And then finally, I'm going to dust in. This is cinnamon sugar. It's just caster sugar with cinnamon powder added. I'm going to give them a very generous sort of sprinkling. Size, super simple. Apple and cream puffs. Job done.